Hello everyone, welcome to VK Murthy Educational Topics. Today I am going to tell what are homophones. What exactly homophones are. Homophones అంటే ఏంటో ఈరోజు మనం తెలుసుకుందాం. Actually there are two words in this word, homophones. Homophone. Homo means same. Phone means sound. So the word which has same sound is called homophone. Not only same sound. See what is the definition. The words that have same sound. Sound means pronunciation.